Team, here we are on Carnival Splendor, the latest addition to the Carnival fleet. She's just been through a big refit, and this is a standard balcony cabin, so you can see that they're pretty roomy. There's a really big double sofa bed here for kids, good sized king bed for mum and dad, and then out on the balcony you've got a proper door and window outside, so chairs, plenty of room to relax. There's Sydney smog out there today, as you can see, but she's pretty good. It's looking good. I think Kiwis and Aussies are gonna like the ship. She's got plenty to do on board. There's plenty of storage in the cabin, as you can see. So for a family holiday away, you've got plenty of hanging spaces, wardrobe spaces for your clothes, and a decent sized bathroom. The only downside is a shower curtain, but hey, plenty of room in there. I don't think that'll stick to you too much. So I think you can sell her with confidence. It's a really fun ship. There's lots of entertaining things to do on board, and we'll take you around a bit further later. Thanks, guys.